What if everything we know is only half the truth? Have you ever wondered where the universe truly comes from? Most of us are familiar with the mainstream theory, the Big Bang, an event that supposedly took place 13.8 billion years ago, where the universe emerged from an infinitely dense point. But what if this is only a fragment of a much larger cosmic truth? What if our universe is just one among many, existing within a much grander cosmic system? And what if our universe is not yet fully developed? What if we are inside a baby universe, still struggling to find its balance? This idea is reminiscent of many ancient myths that describe creation as an ongoing process, rather than a single event. In Hinduism, the concept of Brahma's days and nights suggests that the universe is constantly being created and dissolved in endless cycles. The Norse Yggdrasil, the great cosmic tree, holds multiple realms, implying a vast, interconnected multiverse. Modern science fiction has also explored similar concepts. In Interstellar, the black hole Gargantua bends time and space, much like the proposed cosmic funnel connecting multiple dimensions. In The Matrix, reality itself is an illusion, a construct within a larger, incomprehensible system. Could it be that our universe is just one such simulation in a greater, cosmic machine? Today, we will explore the deepest secrets of the cosmos, from the birth of the universe to the existence of an anti-universe. In Part 2, we will discuss the possible end of the universe and what may come after. So subscribe and turn on notifications, so you don't miss it. The birth of the universe and its hidden mechanism. For centuries, scientists, philosophers, and theologians have debated the nature of the universe. Was it created by a divine force? Did it emerge from nothing? Or is it part of an eternal cycle of birth and destruction? Ancient Greek philosophers such as Heraclitus proposed that everything is in constant flux, an idea reflected in the Brahmanic cycles of existence. Meanwhile, in Egyptian mythology, the god Atum emerges from the primordial waters of none, creating the first land, much like the expansion of space after the Big Bang. Even in modern science, physicists like Roger Penrose suggest that the universe may undergo endless cycles of expansion and rebirth, a theory known as conformal cyclic cosmology, CCC. This aligns with the idea that our universes are born from the remnants of previous ones, feeding into an infinite cycle of existence. Could it be possible that our universe was born out of a much older system, operating on a level beyond human comprehension? The baby universe, the hourglass structure, and the cosmic vortex. Here's a revolutionary idea: our universe might still be in its infancy. Many myths describe the universe as a young being, growing and evolving. In Gnostic traditions, the demiurge is seen as an imperfect creator, still shaping existence. This aligns with the idea that our universe is not yet complete, it is learning, adapting, and fighting for balance. This brings us to the Hourglass Universe theory. Imagine the shape of an hourglass. At its center is a narrow passage that funnels energy between two distinct halves. This could be exactly what is happening to our universe. On one side, the universe expands, forming galaxies, stars, and dimensions. On the other side, energy collapses back into its core, possibly feeding an anti-universe. At the center, there is a cosmic funnel, a singularity through which all energy and information pass. This theory is echoed in Norse mythology, where Ginnungagap, the void between fire and ice, acts as a cosmic bridge between realms. Similarly, in Hindu cosmology, the Omphalos, or world navel, is seen as a channel connecting different layers of existence. Science fiction has also touched on this idea. The wormhole concept in Interstellar and Doctor Strange suggests that certain points in spacetime function as bridges, much like our universe's cosmic funnel. But unlike stable, mature universes, ours is still shifting, which is why it fractured and has the shape of an hourglass. Universes that have emerged from their infancy take on spherical shapes and do not have the disease that gave rise to the anti-universe. But how did it happen that our infant universe became diseased and negative dimensions formed? Lucifer's fall and the cosmic rift. As the universe continued to evolve, something unprecedented occurred. A powerful celestial being, Lucifer, rose to a near-universal consciousness, achieving a level of awareness beyond that of most spiritual entities. However, instead of continuing his ascension, he fell. Watch the full story of Lucifer's fall at this link. This fall has been described in religious texts such as the Bible, the Quran, and the Dead Sea Scrolls. But could it also be a metaphor for a real cosmic event, a force that tipped the balance of the universe? Lucifer's rebellion against divine order mirrors the Greek titan Prometheus, who defied the gods by bringing fire, knowledge, to humanity. In a similar way, Lucifer's descent into ego and self-serving will disrupt the cosmic harmony, much like the rogue Jedi Sith Lords in Star Wars who sought absolute control over the Force. Lucifer did not merely decline, he caused the universe itself to tilt. His defiance disrupted the energy flow of the universe, severing its perfect symmetry. This event ruptured the cosmic vortex, creating an anti-vortex, and with it, the birth of an anti-universe. This was the moment when the black hole utilizer emerged, a mechanism designed to process corrupted energy and attempt to restore balance. But was it too late? The ultimate threat, the death of the universe. Lucifer's fall was a point of no return. If the anti-universe ever constructs an 11th negative dimension, it would mean the collapse of the absolute spirit itself. This concept appears in Hindu cosmology, where Shiva destroys the universe in order to rebuild it. At that moment, the universe would implode, and the black hole utilizer would consume everything, except for the strongest celestial beings. The question is, can this fate be avoided? What's next? In Part 2, we will uncover how the universe fights for survival, the hidden forces that control its destiny, and whether the ultimate collapse can be prevented. What do you think? Did Lucifer's fall truly change the fate of the universe? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss Part 2.